Hi, everybody. It's Beth Ann. Tour de Fabric 2025 is almost here, and you are invited. This free online quilting event will run from July 1st through August 3rd, and you can participate in as many days, in as many ways, or as few as you like. There will be workshops from more than 20 popular instructors covering a huge range of creative techniques and projects, including my fabric postcards workshop, which is beginner friendly but features lots of eye candy and inspiration and techniques for more experienced quilters and fiber artists, too. The workshops will be available to watch for free all month long, and most teachers, again, including me, will have free downloadable resources for you, too. Now, if you enjoy the fellowship of other quilters, you can join one of 13 different quilt-alongs, or you can join in the fun in the private off Facebook community. Everything is strictly optional, and it is all free while the event is live. Now, if you're in the mood to spend some money and grab some bargains, there's a hugely discounted, limited time only pattern bundle, which includes my fully lined, scrappy stocking ornaments, which feature crumb or crazy piecing and seams embellished with fancy decorative stitching that you can do on a home sewing machine. If you'd like access to the workshops past August 3rd, you can buy an extended pass that will last through January 2026. And you can even buy a fun commemorative pin. I've included my affiliate registration link for you in the description box. I hope you'll be able to join us. Happy quilting!